After reeling under a lockdown for over a month because of the deadly second wave of coronavirus, the national capital has slowly started to unlock in a phased manner. As daily COVID cases show a downward trend, the Aam Aadmi Party government has decided certain curbs be lifted. For example, they've permitted construction activity. Function at factories will restart. Now, this gives much needed respite to daily wage earners. These activities are allowed, of course, with certain COVID restrictions. However, lockdown will remain in force till the 7th of June, restricting activities of several other people. Now, Delhi has reported 946 new cases in the past 24 hours and 78 deaths in 24 hours. This is the first time that case count has gone down below the 1,000 mark since the 22nd of March. The capital's positivity rate too has gone down to 1.25%. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has warned if COVID cases start to rise once again, unlock exercise will have to be stopped.
There is a partial relaxation in the lockdown norms by Delhi government, and hence the industrial area and construction activity will start from today. You can see those who are coming for industrial activities at Patparganj industrial area right now. Lots of workers and who are coming for their work. आज से आप लोगों का इंडस्ट्री खुल रहा है तो राहत है. तो ये these people are coming for their work. अभी तक बंद था आप लोगों का
जी,
आज से ही खुला है
जी आज से ही खुला है.
तो ये 2 महीने से कैसे मुश्किल हुई होगी.
बिल्कुल काम धंधा नहीं है, घर बैठे सारे.
आप लोगों की क्या हालत थी.
सर अभी तो मैं मारुति सुजुकी में जॉब कर रहा था, हमारा कॉन्ट्रैक्ट पूरा हो गया, जॉबलेस था. अब जॉब के लिए हम आज दिल्ली खुली है तो निकले बाहर.
तो बीच में घर भी चले गए थे.
घर ही था मैं 1.5 महीने से.
1.5 महीने से घर पे नहीं थे. आप लोगों को लगता है कि लॉकडाउन ने स्थिति थोड़ी गंभीर कर दी थी.
हाँ जी, कर दिया बहुत ज्यादा. सब जॉबलेस हो गए हैं, सबको निकाल लिया कॉन्ट्रैक्ट से.
तो अब नई नौकरी ढूंढनी पड़ेगी.
यस, हाँ ढूंढ रहे हैं. उसी के चक्कर में आए. उसी के चक्कर में.
It was quite difficult to run their households because they are the earning members of their family, but they are not getting regular salaries due to the lockdown. And now, when the activities will start, then steadily, slowly, they will get their salaries, and the life will be back on track once again. With camera person Pradeep Gupta, Kumar Kunal for India Today from Delhi.
The unlock process has started to begin in Delhi with construction activities and factories coming back to work. We are at Mathura Road, right outside the Supreme Court premises, where you can see the construction activities have restarted on the underground underpass road project. But as you can see, the distancing and masking and sanitization protocols have to be maintained. The Delhi government, the DDMA, in its order has very clearly said that all protocols for COVID must be maintained at the construction sites, which are going to be allowed to start functioning from this morning. Delhi has been under a lockdown for more than a month now, and from today, that is the 1st of June, the unlock process begins. The government's guidelines also very clearly state that people have to be masked, people have to be sanitized, the distancing protocols must be put in place. Thermal scanning has to also be done. And it will be the responsibility of the factory owners and the construction the companies to ensure that all of these protocols continue. Meanwhile, commercial establishments, markets, etc. remain closed for now. A review will be done by the end of this week to figure out what happens from 7th of June. In New Delhi with cameraman Ajay, this is Anisha Mathur for India Today.
Akshita Nandgopal now gets us details about the status of lockdown in other parts of the country.
As COVID cases are showing a downward trend, you're seeing several states going ahead and starting their unlock process. The state of Madhya Pradesh currently has a partial lockdown in place, not a complete lockdown either, because cases have come down in the state. What about Uttar Pradesh? Well, the Yogi government did announce certain relaxations in some districts. What that means is there is still a weekend curfew, there is still a night curfew. There will be no lockdown in districts with less than 600 cases. So in any district which has been identified to be doing well, there's been a relaxation. Delhi, the unlock is in progress. The Kejriwal government said it will happen in phases. The first phase starts today with construction activities being allowed. Maharashtra, there's a partial unlock. What this means is that the Uddhav Thackeray government has said that district-wise, based on how they are doing in the fight against coronavirus, there will be an unlock. So in parts like Mumbai also, because cases are coming down, there has been unlock happening in phases. In Jammu and Kashmir, there's a partial unlock happening. Again, based on how districts are doing, the administration is taking a call then and there about whether they can afford to go ahead and unlock these areas. Again, it's only phase-wise. Rajasthan, the lockdown has been extended till June 8th. Again, this is a partial lockdown according to the administration, not a complete one. So some activities are still allowed in the state. But considering that in rural parts of Rajasthan, cases are going up, in those districts, there will be a lockdown even now.